Good morning, members of the press and esteemed guests. We have amongst us our manager, Mrs. Ravi Patil, PTA chairman, Rupesh Chudhary, and the director of our drama, Gautam Gawde, and we have the students who have participated, Vida Nadab and Arjun Naik. On behalf of PTA and management of Patikar Model High School, Margao, I welcome you to this press conference. We are celebrating our 90th year, 9 decades of lighting young minds in Goa. To mark this milestone, we proudly present our award-winning science drama, The Glow Within, directed by Sri Gautam Gawde. This is not just a play, it is the story of Marie Curie's indomitable spirit brought alive by our students. After winning the state level and zonal level science drama competition 2025, our children have represented the entire West Zone at the National Science Drama Festival in Kolkata. We invite all of Goa to witness the glow within on Wednesday, 29th April 2026, 3:30 p.m. at Ravindra Bhavan, Margao. Entry is free. Joining us will be our chief guest, Sri Mangesh Sanilkar, and GVM's RPRS School Pandora with their prize-winning play Urja. 90 years of Patikar is 90 years of Goa's faith in education. Come see our students make a curious glow their own. I now request our director to say a few words.
द ग्लो विथीन हे नाटक हांवें बरयलां आनी बसयलां आनी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हें नाटक बरयता आसतना द टिपिकल टास्क वॉज की सायन्स थीम ह्या फिल्डान घालप ह्या नाटकान बरोवप एंड ही जी थीम आसता ना तें मॅरी क्युरी ह्या व्यक्तिरेखेचेर आसा द कॅरेक्टर पर्सनॅलिटीज बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंटली जे पॅशनेटली पळोवपाक मेळटा दॅट इज द चेंज ओवर ताची जी जर्नी आसा मॅरी क्युरीची जर्नी आसा रायट फ्रॉम पोलंड टू फ्रांस एक फॅसिनेटींग आसा जी सगळ्यांनी पळोवपाक जाय एंड जो व्हिज्युअल आनीक थ्रू प्ले आमचो मांडपाचो आमी यत्न केला पळय तो वयसा तुमकां आवडटलो आनी त्याच खातीर पळोवपाक जाय येवपाक जाय तुमी हे प्ले आमचो द ग्लो विथीन थँक्यू
It was a really great opportunity. I'm really grateful to get this opportunity. We learned a lot. It made me appreciate the struggles of a woman in the middle of a given field and how she had to be brave and face all the discrimination. It made me appreciate all of that. And plus, I had a lot of new things to discover. It was a new opportunity for me. It was my first time, and I'm really grateful to have this opportunity.
It was an enjoyable journey throughout, be it Goa, Mumbai or Kolkata. I got to learn a lot of things from Sir and from my teammates and from Marie Curie herself. I learned never to give up the way Marie Curie never did.
You just to celebrate करतात on the occasion you are presenting this काम आणि किती कार्यक्रम तुमचे असतात 90 years celebrate आणि वेगवेगळे आणि किती कार्यक्रम असतात
Last year आमची 90 years complete झाले.
Last year complete
means 1935 ला सुरू झाली आमची. इतकी वर्षाची लेगसी आसा आमची. पण लास्ट इयर आमकां कांय कारणान खातीर करपाक मेळना. पूण ह्या वर्सा आमी ते फूल आनी प्रोग्राम्स आमचे प्लॅन आसा. पूण वी आर स्टार्टींग विथ दीस कित्याक ह्या भुरग्यांची जर्नी आनी इतली वर्सां आमी जिखत आयल्या. Science competition. We won many times. We reached Bombay, we reached the and this year we also performed very well at Mumbai. We won in Mumbai, and then we went to Kolkata. So we are not only excelling in the drama field, but we are also doing well in sports, and we are also doing well in academics. So ही एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी म्हणजे इतले जर भुरग्यांनी ड्रामा बरें केला जाल्यार आमी हे लोकां खातीर दवरचे आनी ऑल एक्स स्टुडंट्स एलुमनाय आमचे एक्स टिचर्स जे कोण बेनिफिशियर्स आसात तांणी येवचे आनी तांचे स्कुला कडेन ऑब्वियसली एक नातें आसाच एक बॉन्डिंग आसा सो ते कायम उरचे सो over the year we will definitely have programs.
हांव हें आमंत्रण करता जे पाटीलराचे एक्स स्टुडंट्स आसात आमचे वेल विशर्स आसात तांणी येवचें ही अंध्र प्रदेशाचे सांगलें आमची 90 इयर्स पूर्ण जाली पूण बिकॉज ऑफ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आमची एज्युकेशन कॅलेंडर खूब चेंज जाला आनी तें कॅलेंडर चेंज जाल्ले कारणान एकेडॅमीक एक्टिविटीज अजून स्टेबल जावंक ना सो वी एक्सपेक्ट की येता त्या वर्साक तें स्टेबल जातलें वी वील डू अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स टू सेलिब्रेट 90 इयर्स रादर दॅन 90 इयर्स गोईंग इनटू द सेंटिनरी डेकेड कित्याक आतां आमी एक्चुअली सेंटिनरी डेकेडांत पावल्यात एंड वी वील शुअरली सेलिब्रेट दॅट गोईंग फॉरवर्ड बट वी वूड लायक टू टेक दिस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू इन्वायट एवरीबडी मडगांवकार म्हण तूं गोंयकाराक म्हण तूं तांणी येवचो फक्त आमचोच प्ले इन द ग्लो मिटींग पूण तेतूंत GBMसाचो उर्जा विच इज एन अवॉर्ड विनींग प्ले इन गोवा ताजें नाट्य सादरीकरण जातलें कळ्ळें सो हांव मागता सगळ्या लोकां कडेन की तांणी येवचो आनी ते दीस येवन रवींद्र भवनान 29 तारखेक बुधवाराक सांजे 3:30 वरांचेर येवन सगळ्यांनी ताचो आस्पाव घेवचो देव बरें.
Dreamland, your perfect party and picnic destination, right here in South Goa. We've got a beautiful beachside open-air hall, indoor and outdoor seating, ideal for family picnics, birthday bashes, weddings, or corporate events. Need a stay? Our cozy wooden cottages are available for rent, both AC and non-AC options. Located near Musson Ground at Goodinho Wado, Majorda Beach, South Goa, close to the sand and the fun. Call or WhatsApp today 9763555219 or 7796856171. Dreamland Goa, or book your dream day now.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.